Hello, I'm Dr. Barry Pecos, York Region's Medical Officer of Health. For the last several weeks, we've been sharing the news and raising the alarm regarding our overwhelmed acute care hospitals and the triple threat of COVID-19, RSV, and influenza that they and we have been facing this fall. This remains true today. The threat is present, and as you will have read in the media, they are still beyond crisis mode. But I'm happy to share today that the increasing trends we had been seeing have plateaued and may even be decreasing. Our wastewater signals for RSV and influenza, which are still in the pilot phases of how we understand them, are showing positive signs that the signal is no longer increasing. Furthermore, influenza cases have leveled off, and COVID cases in hospitals and ICUs are also steady, though we are still seeing several COVID cases that are dying per week, and any death is one too many. Pediatric hospitalizations in York Region are still roughly double our usual capacity, but not triple, and that is great news. The incredible people at the front lines, and let's not forget those supporting those front lines, have done heroic work. The burden on our hospitals and the circulation of these viruses is still high, but we are seeing a hopeful trend and one that we predicted and expected at this point in the season. The challenge is maintaining this trend during a season when we all want and need to get together, socialize, and see family and friends. So how can we do it? How can we make it through the holidays and the winter healthier together? Firstly, we aren't out of the woods yet, and it is never too late to protect yourself and your loved ones before the holiday. We have vaccines for 2 of the 3 viruses that are plaguing us. If you have not received the bivalent COVID vaccine, Pfizer or Moderna, there is still time to get it and for it to reach full protection before Christmas, although barely enough time before Hanukkah. The same goes for the flu vaccine. Even if you don't normally get the flu vaccine every year, this year it is worth your while, as influenza has truly been affecting young and old and everyone in between, and this year's vaccine offers excellent protection. York Region public health clinics are now accepting walk-ins as well as booked appointments for the COVID-19 vaccine and influenza vaccine. Just come by whenever you have a moment. Both vaccines are incredibly effective against hospitalization and death, for young and old, for yourself, and for others. Visit york.ca/COVID-19 vaccine to find a site or call Access York at 1-877-464-9675 to learn more or find a clinic near you. Of course, there are still other things you can do to protect yourself and your loved ones this holiday season. Wearing a mask is strongly recommended in indoor public settings and crowded indoor environments. This is particularly important if you have a cold or flu-like illness and may need to be in a public space. A mild cold for one person can develop into a severe respiratory infection for someone else. Wearing a mask protects both you and those more vulnerable in our community. Free COVID-19 rapid antigen tests continue to be available. Help keep our emergency departments focused on the most severely ill, but do see a healthcare provider if you need to. If you have any non-serious symptoms and are looking to see a healthcare provider and unable to see your family doctor or don't have one, there are a number of COVID-19 cold and flu clinics to help you. Visit york.ca/COVID-19 to learn more. With many holiday gatherings around the corner, please monitor yourself and loved ones for symptoms and stay home while you're sick. Your family and friends will hopefully understand if you need to miss an event or postpone a holiday event to help keep everyone as healthy and safe as possible and enjoying each other's company when it is safe. Enjoy the holiday season as best you can while looking out for one another.